Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I'm continuing the theme on amazing, gorgeous orchids. They've been here longer than the dinosaurs. You'll find them in just about every piece of the planet, except perhaps not the North Pole or the South Pole or Antarctica at this stage, but we don't know, but they're everywhere. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the colours. I love how they just keep transitioning into these most amazing, exquisite beauties. This design is for me, and it all started because 2 years ago, I suppose, we did alterations to our home. I'll put a little clip of the wallpaper what got me started in the alterations that we were doing. And this is the colorway, and I was really thankful that I was able to find them. Now, if you're looking for these, not that I promote certain companies, but I do want you to know that I found these out on Temu of all places, and I was absolutely delighted. So if you're looking for them, that's the place to go. Okay. This is for me, and I'm so happy to be able to share it with those of you who also love designing with orchids. This is a container that I did ages and ages ago, and I think I called it my botanical still life. I love it with the white container and then that beautiful tropical feel of those of the forms coming up. So let us just start. Orchids I always think of as beautiful tropical forms. Now this here is going to be too long, so I'm not going to put that in just yet. So I'll start with these gorgeous leaves, and I've put that in there, and I think these are called elephant ears, and I'm not quite sure why they call them elephant ears, but they are quite beautiful flowers, and I love, or leaves, and I love how they just take a life of their own and go just whichever way they want to go. I also love to incorporate other greens to go with the orchids that can just go to there, and there's no right or wrong way of designing with orchids. You just let them go whichever way they want to go, because the epiphytes, and they live on other things, and they have these little root systems here. This is where they get their nourishment from. So I always like to incorporate what comes with it or is naturally occurring. Okay, the next thing to go into here are these beautiful orchids. See those little aerial roots? Put that down into there. And I've got two of those. This one can go over here like so, and this one, now I need to turn around and see where I'm going. Oops, I want that to go more that way, and that needs to go more that way. Bringing this into here like so, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing in a moment. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? I absolutely love it. Now it needs another type of foliage in there, so I'm just going to bring that down in there, and so that just flows over. Where am I going here? Oh yes, this is looking great. And I also like a bit of grass in with what I'm doing, and then I've got all these little holy bits here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring the moss down and into there like so, and then with this leaf here, I was going to take it up high, but I've decided that I'm just going to bring that in low and bring that in and over to there. So now we have an arrangement that can be viewed from, hold on, we're going a bit the wrong way here. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. How simple and elegant is that? Now, there is something missing in here. You'll see that there is quite a big hole in there. It needs one more thing, one moment. And here it is. The more greens, the more variations that you can find to put into something that has a tropical air, the better it will be. So I'm going to just bring that around and step that into there like so. Oh, this needs to be brought around. Hold on a minute. We need this. Make it right, make it right. And now I am happy. That's exactly what it needed. Working back to front isn't always as easy as it appears. And then just bring all your foliages down and around. And if you're not liking something like that leaf there, just bring that around and stick that down like that. There we have it. Beautiful orchids in a flash. I love it. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. Love it.